Okay, example of cafeteria menu by using C++ programming, and also we can use switch statement, control statements. As we know, in the cafeteria, there is a list of menu, a list of price in front of menu. The user can select and they can order whatever they want. So we can do by using control switch statements. Let we do together. Include history using name namespace t ultimate. Then our main method will be start here. So here we will declare one variable. Okay. We can say int choice. Choice will be the value user enter from the keywords. So simply we can say cout cafeteria minus okay. Then dash n cout there, or simply we can say one, can say burger. Okay, in case it is menu, the next should be on new line, then this will be comma. So here simply we can copy and paste. Why? Because simply we can so here number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. So this will be pizza. This will be sandwich. Number 4 will be, you can say coffee, you can say tea. Okay, this will be the menu. Okay, so here we need to accept this option or this choice. See, in choice will be the value which is selected from 1 up to 5. So then user will be selecting this choice. So simply we can say switch choice. Then here we can write a case 1. Case 1 means if user enter number 1, that means user are selecting burger. So simply you can say cout you have selected burger. Then price 300 Ethiopian per slash n. Now we need to break means that the first case is now completed, so we need to start another case here. So case 2 is there. There's case 2. In case 2 also we need to write cout. That means if user select 2, we need to write message for pizza. So you have selected beta. Price, simply we can say 400 Ethiopian birr. So here make new line by using /ns. So we need to finish this break here. Break should be semicolon. Case should be case 3 semi double colon. So simply we can say that means case 3 means cout if user select number 5, that will be 4 sandwiches. So cout, you have selected sandwich. Price equal to 200 Ethiopian birr slash n semicolon. So we need to break, that means completing the case 3 here. So now another case is there, case 4. So cout you, if that case is the value of choice. If user chose for value will be your tea, okay, coffee. I mean, choice is the value of this menu. So if user case 4 means if we, the value of choice, or if user insert 4, you have selected coffee. Let we say coffee will be price equal to 50 Ethiopian birr. So /n. So we need to finish break here. Another 5 cases there. If user insert 5, so simply you can say cout you have selected T, okay, and then price will be equal to 30, then /n can make selling. So if there is no another option, at the end there is defaults. So default means if there is no another option, simply you can write defaults. So always there, if there's no input between 1 up to 5, the output under default will be printed on the computer console. So cout valid input, okay, then you will finish here. So here this will be switches should be closed, then should be return 0 for main method semicolon. So I think there is switch statement. Yeah, exactly. So this is simply cafeteria menu that asks user to enter their interest 1 up to 5. Then if they choose a number, then it will be display message for them. So let me compile with to cafeteria menu. Now there's switches, okay? Switch, okay? I made a mistake. Also, there's case 2 here. we need to write yeah, this additional we need to remove this one. But because this is for switch, this is for the main mid, so only we have two brushes. Now I think it is fixed. Those they'll see here. So there is warning, but warning maybe no problem. We run the program. Cafeteria menu here. We can select a number between. If I select the number 4, so and then we need to say enter. You have selected copy price 50. So again we can select number 2. Okay. So number 2 you have select visa. The price is 400 rupees. So this simply switch statement by using C++ programming. So thank you for watching me. Next I will come back with another example. Have a nice time.